Let's work on the UNISA grade 3 singing technical work. Now the first one, it's very important that you sing the quaver and have that quaver rest in the middle. And work on your vowels. A, E, I, O, U. And a nice legato line at the end. You can also sing it a little bit lower. A, E, I, O, U. Number 2, we've got the triplets there. Also do it a little bit lower. Number 3, you have to remember to do the repeat there. And nice staccatos where you see the staccatos. And then we repeat. So let's do that one. Let's do it a little bit lower. Number 4, first we have the major, a little bit of a rest in the middle, and then I go to the minor. So count out your minim in the middle, count out your semi-brief at the end. And let's do this on another vowel. Let's do it on A. Number 5. Rest. Rest. Very important that you sing that long, nice legato line. Let's do this a little bit lower. Number 6, another long exercise. So that's over 2 lines. A little bit lower. Number 7. First I go up with an arpeggio and then dominant 7th down. if you put that accent on the B, the second part, that you sing accent, accent, accent. So listen to this a few times. It's quite difficult, those intervals. So this is from memory. So you must really take a few every day and work on, especially the intonation of the exercises, and on practice it in all the different vowels.